Boom, boom. No, wait. Look at my look. Look at this sassy. Look at the water. Look at the
Right, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive, get down and dirty. Act like the bad guy. You want some love, you like when you feel caught in a midnight. You got the best of me.
Feeling good, like I should.
Let me check my chest, my breath right quick. He ain't never seen it in a dress like this.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are you? I am so sorry. I am rushing. I'm starting this vlog rushing. Is this a vlog or whatever it is? I am headed to go and buy grocery, and then I come and clean the fridge with you guys and also arrange it. So let's go grocery shopping with me. I don't want to talk that much because my taxi is already here. So if you are new here, my name is Nanji, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always clicking on my video. Please do hit that subscribe button, like and comment. I'm very sorry that I am rushing, but let's not make this vlog so boring, right? Let's go. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. No, wait. Look at my look. Look at this sassy. Look at the water. Look at it. When I come back, I'll show you the look, guys. So let's go. Let's go. For me, my hair is black salons.
Black salon.
Yeah, like for black people. So black people help me with my hair.
I have one customer, Kenya. She live in this here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Justice that's about to let us know how to go. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to
Yeah. Oh. Ooh, yeah. Amaru, yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh, she mine. She's so damn fine. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Not a thing I won't do. Ooh, yeah. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh, yeah. She the girl in my visions. Now that I found you, I'm fiending for all your attention. Yeah. Hope you don't mind if I give you a tour of my mansion. Yeah. All of this for you, babe. Nothing I won't do, babe. Weak for your love. Everywhere we go, they be alright. Yeah. Can't help it with your body. Just